Right. Wonderland. Iba pala yun.
Brilliant. I am Vicky and we are the Wilson Wonders.
Hi, hello. So we're here at Camp Constancia with Vicky and Bernie. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Nagre-relax. Nag-enjoy.
So, when did you start camping?
Pandemic. During the pandemic time, no, Dad? Nagte-travel na kami dati. Pero usually we fly or we travel ng naka-car o kaya nag-aeroplano, ganyan. Pero siyempre, nung pandemic, hindi ka makaalis. May limitation sa mga hotels. So, na-open sa amin yung idea ng camping. So, doon, kasi nature naman yan, open yan, walang masyadong requirements. Vaccine lang ang requirements, diba? Doon, nag-start kami. Doon namin na-discover ang mas masarap pala ang mag-camp. Kesa between hotels and camping, mas na-enjoy namin ang camp. Kasi you're one with nature.
Anong maya advice nyo with new campers as well?
Everything starts naman with just the basic needs para sa isang camper. Siguro yung walang malalaking sasakyan, they can start with having a small tent. Try mo munang bumili ng tent na maliit lang muna. Try nyo muna kasi eventually you will realize kung ano yung mga kailangan niyo. In our case, talagang ang idea namin, when we started camping, ang idea namin talaga is more of a fun life na i-convert eventually yung kotse sa yung van sa isang livable na bahay. Pero for beginners, just get something like a tent, yung mga basic gears like yung paglulutuan niyo, and after that, just go. Kasi
Just start simple, and then as you go along, upgrade na lang ng upgrade. Kung ano yung kailangan nyo, dagdag. That's how we started. Actually, the van, yung laman niya, puro household items yan. Hindi naman kami bumili ng kung ano-ano pa. Puro household items. Tapos, tinatanggal na lang namin yung hindi kailangan, iniiwan namin yung kailangan. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang ang sistema.
You mentioned van life. Kasi van life is very different from camping, di ba? So, what made you want to do van life initially, at least?
Safety. Let me just identify yung mga types of campers. May mga campers na hikers na on foot, no? Meron namang moto campers na mga bikes ang dala nila. Tapos merong car campers like us, we consider ourselves as car campers. And then there's the van life. Yung difference ng van life and car campers, kasi yung car campers, they bring everything inside their car and then they set up a camp. Doon sila matutulog sa tent nila. Okay? Yung more on van life is that you set up your van into a livable house-like accommodation. So yung mga gamit mo sa car camping, it's really camping gears kasi kailangan magaan, kailangan parang talagang normal na maliliit, normal na camping gears. Versus sa van life, gusto mo rin magaan kasi para hindi mahirapan yung sasakyan mo, pero it's more of kung ano yung gamit mo sa bahay, yun na rin ang dala mo. Tapos, i-convert mo yung van mo into, like in our case, kaka-convert lang namin, nag-DIY lang kami with the help of my son-in-law, kinonvert na namin siya. Okay? So, ano yung gamit, diferensya ng mga gamit. Ang dami pong camping gears. Ang dami po talaga at na yung iba magaganda, yung iba marami ring hindi magaganda, pero syempre pag mahal, maganda talaga. Pero yung sa van life, hindi masyado siyang nagre-require ng camping gears kasi pwede yung mga gamit sa bahay.
So you're doing like a combination
Yes.
Combination.
of van life and car camping and
Mhm.
so how long have you been doing that?
4 years na. 3 years.
3 years. 2020.
Magti 3 years.
Started in
Magti 3 years.
2020. Yung
So-
talagang pandemic time.
2021, 2022. Oo.
So from the start to now, how would you describe yung journey nyo with van life?
We started with just the two of us. We started with just going on a camp and then setting up our awning, tulog sa van. Well, yung transition namin has been very nice, I would say. We started na dalawa lang kami. Tapos we do our thing, magka-camp kami. Then we started meeting different campers and then we joined the Car Camping Philippines. At that time, nasa 10,000 members pa lang yata. Okay, nung time na nag-member kami ng Car Camping Philippines. And then, ganun pa rin, nag-camp kami kung saan-saan. Pero mostly nga, ang camp namin na ginagawa is dito sa South. Cavite, kasi malapit, Manila kami, tapos malapit lang ang Cavite. We don't want to really explore ng mga malalayo pa. Kasi beginner kami eh. So, dito kami sa Cavite. And we started meeting people who are also members of Car Camping Philippines. Sa Car Camping Philippines kasi, it's a community, FB community na they share mga experiences, nagkakaroon ng mga pagtatanong, like in a regular chat room na nagtatanong kung ano yung mga pwedeng gamitin, ano yung mga advice, saan magandang mag-camp, saan pwedeng ganito. So, it's really a community of campers, of car campers. And then, we started meeting people na members din ng car campers. So, doon kami nag-start na parang from just the two of us, then there's this other campers na Car Camping Philippines member din. Siyempre, you become friends na instantly. Magiging kaibigan mo na siya kasi nag-uusap na kayo. You have the same mindset eh. You have the same goals eh. Yung parang parehas kayo ng gusto. Pareho kayo ng gusto. So, nakakapagkwentuhan. And then, meron na namang bagong kaibigan na naman eventually. Diba? Marami kang makikita na mamimit ng mga tao.
We met the seniors group online do sa car camping chat room, and then all of us decided to make or to form a group that we call now as under Car Camping Philippines Senior Car Camping.
But it is ano yun,
Subgroup.
Subgroup lang
siya.
ng Car Camping Philippines. And then, we planned na mag-meet. Ng mga seniors na to, nag-meet. So, nung mag-meet kami, ayun na, ang sarap-sarap palang mag-meet ng grupo ka talaga na you want to get to know other people na versus yung solo ka lang, masarap din kasi tahimik lang. Pero mas masarap pala na grupo kayo na merong isang pag-iisip, mayroong isang gusto na mag-enjoy lang nature and then magkwentuhan. And as seniors, no limits sa usapan talaga. Ang mga biroan, hindi tumitigil, no limit talaga. Tapos we enjoyed that and we became part of the core group ng senior campers. Na mag-anniversary pala, mag-1 year anniversary kami this coming September. So, naghahanap na kami ng venue for our event. Yeah. And then, after that, we were invited by the founder ng Car Camping Philippines to join an event for Coleman. So, doon namin na-meet sila Anthony Stark, At saka yung wife niya, si Luz, and other people
Vloggers,
pa,
other
other vloggers, mga vloggers talaga. Solo campers, solo female campers. Galing talaga. Ano talaga, saludo talaga ako. Dalawa sila na nakita na-meet namin. Marla and Vinny. Female solo car campers. Sobrang, sabi ko, ang galing nyo, kaya nyo. Sabi ganun. Kasi, well, I would say yung anak ko din, solo traveler din. Pero she goes to safe places like hotels, so medyo safe yan. Pero to be a car camper na solo ka, na female ka, you set up your own camp, parang sabi ko, wow, galing. Sabi ko gano'n. So yun, we met a lot of people and we did an anniversary last December, nag-anniversary ang Car Camping Philippines.
Second anniversary.
Ang second anniversary ng Car Camping Philippines. Which was held in Camp Spotted Wood.
Inside Villa Escudero.
Villa Escudero Camp. And highly recommended po yun. Yung place talagang gusto namin siya because it's really nature. At maganda ang facilities ng Camp Spotted Wood. So, doon, nag-build na yung community na mas lalo naming na-enjoy knowing that we have na meron kaming mga taong kasama na mag-enjoy kami bukod sa pagka-car camp. And one good thing about it is that you learn a lot from these people. Kahit na yung pag-set up ng tent, paggawa ng pag-ayos ng peg, pag-ayos ng guidelines, natutunan namin talaga sa mga campers na ito. So, yun.
So far, what's the longest or farthest car camping experience that you've had?